How to build a profitable e-commerce store in less than 10 minutes. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can build yourself an e-commerce store. So let's get into it. So first things first, what you need is a hosting plan. So you can use whatever hosting plan you want, Bluehost, Hostinger, even WordPress, its own hosting services, whatever you want. Main goal is to get a hosting plan where you can get a WordPress website. Next, you want to create a WordPress website. So I already have one over here, but you can come over here. You can click on add website to create a website. I already have one, so we're going to be using this one. So next I'm going to click on the WordPress admin to go ahead and log in into my WordPress website. And once it's ready, now we can go ahead and install a few templates or a few plugins to get started. So some of the plugins that I recommend you install, if you come over here onto the left hand side, go into the plugin section and click on the install plugins. And here you will find a bunch of different plugins that are already installed. If you don't see the ones that I'm going to be showing you, you can go ahead and click on add plugin over here. And here just simply search for Astra. This is the first plugin. We also are going to need Elementor. If you want to use that editor, you can use the simple editor as well. And this is the template that we want, the starter templates AI powered. So we're going to install the starter templates by, it supports Gutenberg as well as Elementor. So we should be good to go. Then we just simply activate the plugin. And then we can go ahead and get started. So you can build with AI, but I don't recommend that. I would recommend going with templates. So we're going to build with templates. We can select the page editor if you want. You can go with Elementor or Block Builder. Totally depends on you. Since we already have Elementor, you can go ahead and select Elementor. If you don't have one, you can again just simply install the plugin as I showed you how you can install the starter templates. Then it's going to sync all of the templates library over here. And since we want to start an e-commerce store, we're going to come over here at the start and just simply click on online shop. You can go with clothing store, jewelry store, whatever option you want. Then here, just simply select the template that you want. We can see we have a bunch of different templates to choose from. We can go ahead and get started. So actually we're going to go with clothing store. And then here you can just simply select the plugins. So this one looks pretty cool. So we're going to click on it and use this one. If you have a logo, you can upload the file over here and it will replace all of the logos with your logo that you uploaded. If you want to change the font, you can change the font as well. So you can see right here, this one is Jakarta Sans, and this is outfit and DMs. This is man. Nunito Sans also looks pretty cool. So I really like the Poppins one. We're going to continue with this one. And then you can select the color palette as well. Style number one was black. This one has a little bit of blue tint to it. This one has a bit of green. So you can select whichever option you like. So this is how the website looks like. Pretty simple, pretty cool. So we're going to continue with this one and then hit the continue button. Then here, just select the features you want. We want the e-commerce store. We already have WooCommerce installed. So we're going to select that. If you don't have one, leave it as it is and then hit the continue button. You can skip this as well, but it totally depends on you. Then just simply, you can submit it over here, but I recommend skipping it. And then we just simply click on the skip, and then it's just simply going to go ahead and install the website and import all the pages, menus, posts, everything. So leave it here and we'll get started. And our website is now ready. So we can go ahead and visit our website by clicking on the visit website button. And this is how it looks like. Pretty simple, pretty cool. Next, we need to go ahead and create some products so that we can go ahead and publish them over here on our site. So let's go back to our dashboard by clicking on the WordPress logo at the top corner. So here on the left hand side, you'll see all of your options. Here you'll find the product section. Click on it, and here you will see all of your products. And here you can create a new product as well. So these are all the demo products that we have, but that's fine. And we can create a new product by clicking on the add new product button over here. And then here we can get started with the new product. So here we add the new product name. And here we have the name section. Here we have the description and all the other metadata as well. Like how much does it cost? What is the price? How much do we have in inventory? What is the shipping cost? If we have some products that are linked to it, we want to go ahead and sell them as a bundle. We can do that by clicking over here on the link product section. And then we have product short description as well, and some SEO options at the bottom. Here we have some visibility and draft options and some other options as well, like the product image, product gallery, and stuff like that. So let's get started. And here we go. So this is this product that I added. So I added these slippers by just simply clicking on the add media button over here, and then just simply uploading the file by clicking over here and selecting the file. Once they're uploaded, you can then go ahead and select all the files that are over here. And I also set the product image as well, which is this one, by clicking on the button over here, and we should be good to go. So you can remove it over here. You can add product gallery images over here by clicking on this button. and then selecting the images. So this is optimized. We can go ahead and select that. We can go ahead and select this one, add to gallery like so. And of course we can add multiple different ones. Unfortunately, we have to upload them one at a time, which is kind of tedious work, but you know what? Sometimes you just gotta roll the dice. And once they've been uploaded, we are good to go. So that's all of our gallery images. Then here we can add product tags. We can select brand if we have them. If not, we can leave it as it is. And then we have Astra settings like custom container layout. You know, you can customize it however you want. Unbox, box, totally depends on you. But once it's done, you should be good to go. Next, you can go ahead and add some other options like inventory, how much you have in stock, SKU numbers, shipping, link products, all of those. And then you should be good to go. Then you can just simply save it and you are good to go. So let's go ahead and click on update over here, and we've already published it. Next, we're going to go ahead and add the payment method. So come over here on the left hand side, click on payments, and we should be good to go. Payment method, you can set it up on your own. You don't really need me to go ahead and show you. So you do need a WooCommerce for this one. If you have it, it'll automatically, you know, pop up over here on the left hand side. Then here is the payment method. So here, these are certain payment methods that you can go ahead and install. So we got PayPal. If you want to install it, simply click on the install button, link your account, and you should be good to go. If you want to add other ones like Visa, or then you can go with this one. So complete the setup by clicking on this button and just selecting the ones that you want, and you should be good to go. Then click on the continue button and basically connect your WordPress account to it, and then activate the payment methods and then submit the verifications. And it's as simple as that. Then your store is complete and ready to be set live. So that's how you can build a complete e-commerce store in less than 10 minutes. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, take care and goodbye.